What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So right here we have Merck's 370Z in for a full color change, but right now what we're going to be doing is stripping this car apart and prepping it for wrap. But we are going to be wrapping it in this same blue. Looks so good. It's a little dirty right now, but we're not going to be using this front bumper. We're going to be getting a new front bumper, but as you guys can see, wrap's peeling on this thing as well. But it was wrapped in this color, and I guess I'm not sure what happened, but he ended up peeling it all off, and we're going to be rewrapping it in the same color. This wing has to come off so we can get the rest of this wrap off, but I think one of the bolts is stripped, so we're going to be fixing that as well. But Nismo bumpers all around, carbon mirrors, carbon fenders, carbon hood, Morimoto headlights and taillights. And with the new, I think the front bumper is super aggressive style front bumper, and that one's going to be probably a pain in the ass to kind of wrap. But let's get started on stripping this thing apart, get any more of the glue adhesive off, because I think it's somewhere around the corners. You guys can see some of the wrap or the adhesive is still stuck around all the corners and the edges. So we have to clean all of this stuff up properly so we don't have any of that ruining the new wrap. So we just got the car all washed up and done, but I want to show you guys the color real quick. Look at this blue right here. This looks amazing. It's basically the exact same blue that he had on the bumper, on this front bumper. But like I said, we're going to be swapping out this front bumper for another one, so we're not going to be using this front bumper anymore. But we already have the whole car stripped apart. Door handles, skirts, headlights, taillights, bumpers, wing, third brake light, gas cap, weather strips, everything is off. We're going to be leaving the hood carbon, fenders carbon, the roof's going to stay black, the wing's going to stay carbon as well, and then the front bumper already has some black accents painted on the bumper. I forgot to show you guys, check out these 3-piece Nismo style wheels, definitely looks sick. And then with the color all done up, can't wait to see it. So let's get started on the wrap. guys, so we're finally done with this 370Z. Definitely a little more complicated than what I thought it was, just because a lot of the paint was peeling on this thing. There's paint peeling on the side skirts, paint peeling on the quarter panels, paint peeling on the doors, the A-pillars. I think the trunk as well, the rear bumper specifically. And yeah, literally every single panel that I had to wrap on this thing had to be sanded down, including the front bumper. And this is the new Veilside front bumper that he got for the car. Authentic Veilside right there. Look at that. Love the badge. Definitely stands out. Veilside. And super complicated to wrap this thing because it's pretty intricate on getting all those shapes and stuff on there, especially with the curve right here, and then it vents out and then straight down, and then it's got a vent right behind it, and so on. And then you have this big pointy thing right here on this one. So and that one goes in so many directions, like that, and straight down. So we had to do multiple pieces on this front bumper, but it came out super clean. So the owner did actually order the DRLs for the front bumper, which go right under there. And then he ordered new carbon fenders and Veilside side skirts. Unfortunately, the side skirts have to be painted. And well, I had just wrapped these when he mentioned the side skirts. And well, it was a little too late. And he said to just put these ones on, and then he's going to paint the Veilside ones in the bottom section, the glossy black. And he's going to bring them in later on to wrap on that. But carbon fenders, they look pretty cool, but I guess we found some damage when we were unpackaging them. So he ended up returning those. And I think he's going to get another set, but they're just on back order. So now he has to wait. So we ended up slapping on the original carbon fenders that he had on this. So new carbon fenders and new Veilside side skirts coming soon on this thing. And then we have the rear bumper too. We ended up painting the bottom section in glossy black. Shout out to Select Collision for doing that. Yeah, the paint on this rear bumper kept coming off. Apparently, I think the original color of the bumper was red, and then someone had it repainted in pearl white. But you know, just layers of paint on top of paint. And as I was trying to do inlays and wrapping it, the paint and the clear coat kept coming off, and it was becoming quite a bit of a shit show. But we ended up getting it fully wrapped, pretty decent. A lot of sanding again required for this thing, but car came out so damn good. But that's going to be the end of today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the transformation on this 370Z, but more to come on this car. Follow him in on Instagram, mercs.z34, I think it is, but I'll leave it down below. But again, thank you guys for always supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.